welcome back to another Jordyn video. So today we're doing a really exciting video, and I'm really excited to do this, and it is trying soda for the first time. So if you guys don't know this about me, I never really drunk any other soda besides like Sprite. And the reason I don't drink like soda is because my mom doesn't really like think soda is good for me because you can get bad cavities, and she just doesn't buy soda, and she doesn't even drink soda. So yeah, and my dad doesn't want me doing this video because he thinks I'm gonna get a cavity and a chipped teeth and all rotted and moldy, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So I only have like Sprite when I have a stomach ache, and I had one sip of Coke before, and that was a long time ago. Like, I don't even remember how old I was. It was so long ago. But yeah, I really don't drink soda. This is gonna be so fun. We're gonna go to like the McDonald's drive-thru, maybe some other fast food places, and get some of their sodas, because I saw a lot of like things that say that McDonald's sodas are good. I don't know, so we're gonna see. So yeah, we're gonna try it out, and I'm really excited. So I'll see you guys when we get to our first destination. So we have our sodas. This one it's punched in P. Pepsi. What is
Dr.
P?
Pepper, I think.
Oh, I think Dr. Pepper. And D is Diet Coke or Diet Pepper or whatever it's called, something diet. And then this one is the orange one. I don't know what it's called. I just know it starts with an orange. So let's test them out. I'm really nervous. Mini, miny, mo. Okay, orange first. Here it looks. Here it's all in its beauty. My cheeks are like squinching for some reason. Ow. It's so like sharp. It hurts. Ow. That one hurts. Why is it so like... It feels like it's... Oh! It's so strong. It feels like it's stabbing. It's like...
It's the carbonation.
It hurts. I thought it was just going to be like fizzy. It's like... That one's strong. That's a no for me. Next, we're going to try the Pepsi. Dr. Pepper. I'm really scared about this one because this one was sharp and hurt. So I'm scared about this one. Here's what this one looks like. Oh, it's so fancy. Okay. Can you guys? It's fizzing so loud. ASMR. It's not as sharp as the other one. It has a really weird aftertaste. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's kind of a gross aftertaste. The first part of it is kind of good, but the like after is like, ew. Oh yeah, it tastes like metal or some sort. I don't know. It tastes like a penny. Don't ask me how I know how a penny tastes. We have Diet Coke. I feel like, is Diet Coke the same, or does it have like less sugar, or does it taste different? I don't know. This one tastes like cherry, kind of.
Did they give you the wrong one?
It tastes like a cherry. Is it not supposed to taste like a cherry?
No. Maybe they gave you cherry Coke instead.
I know there is cherry Coke. This tastes like a cherry.
Oh no. That's weird.
I think they might have gave me the wrong one. But I don't know. I really don't know if it's right or wrong.
Well, it's not supposed to taste like a cherry.
Oh, well, it's probably wrong. Probably got lucky. The aftertaste again, all the aftertaste except this one was just like hurt. It hurt me. These two have like weird aftertaste in their mouth. Like, for me, they do. Yeah, I don't like it. We're done with McDonald's, so now we're just gonna go to Taco Bell and get some of their sodas. I know that they have Mountain Dew, and I'm excited because I never tried Mountain Dew ever. Like, never in my life. I don't even know what it should taste like or what people say about it. Like, but I have a Mountain Dew shirt, which is kind of funny. If you watch some of my videos, I have it on. But let's go to Taco Bell. This one is Mountain Dew, Baja Blast. I think this one is, what's it called? Root beer. And this one is Pepsi. Yes. So I'm gonna start with the Mountain Dew, but Mountain Dew kind of looks like pee to me. Listen, I really like these cups because they're clear. They look pretty cool. So let's try it out. 3, 2, 1.
What does it taste like?
It doesn't really have a taste. Just tastes like fizzy water. I don't really know how to describe the taste of it.
Not good?
I'll give it an okay. Next, we are gonna do Baja. Baja. Blast. Okay. Ew, it keeps squirting up. Do you guys see that? Can't even push it in without it doing that. Whew. Okay, that was a little bit extra. So this kind of looks like what our ocean should look like. This tastes like really weird. Next, I'm going to have a dark root beer. So this is root beer. Here's what root beer looks like. It kind of looks like the Pepsi and Dr. Pepper and Dr. Cola and all of that. So, 3, 2, 1, let's go. I like this one. This one's actually good. Kind of tastes minty-ish, like a minty kind of taste. Yes, for me. Definitely, not least, root beer is probably my favorite I had so far. Yeah, it's pretty good. So this one kind of overflowed, so I'm just going to sip it on the top a little bit. By the way, this one is Pepsi. So let's just sip it on the top because it overflowed. Wait, that tastes weird. Hold up. See, what is it? Oh, it's filled too high.
First. There you go.
I can't really like. Pepsi does have a different taste than Coke. I don't know how to explain the taste though. Like, Yeah, no for me. I don't even know, like, it tastes really nasty to me. So, no to this one. I don't know what the hype about soda is. Like, why do so many people like it? I mean, like, you can like it. That's fine. I just think, like, it tastes weird. Kind of hurts, like this one over here. Yeah, and I don't really like the soda. The only one I liked out of all of these is this one. Half of them taste nasty, like had a bad aftertaste. One of them hurt me, physically caused me pain. And these two just like didn't really taste like anything. Well, this one was okay, but yeah. This was a really fun video to film. I thought they were all gonna taste good, and I was gonna want them. I'm gonna be like, oh man, I can never have them again. But I'm not missing out on anything. If there's a video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and tell me if you guys like videos like this, like trying new things, because I don't know if you guys really believe me that I never like tried soda before, but I never have before because my mom is a maniac. Don't want to get copyrighted. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. All that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you. Okay, what are we going to do with all this soda?